And has it been proven right today?
It's restraint, isn't it, really? I'm just
zhuzh it on. Galactic stuff.
You know, could you, for example, use it as a board, a serving board? Or
Very good. So if this was covered in resin, I could put some chopped apple on there, whatever, and I could serve it to you, that's fine.
Cheese board, yeah. And then
Yeah,
you can
cheese
wash it and
You don't have to
sterilise
hand
it,
wash it,
But,
yeah.
bleach it.
What is it? It basically, this is how you create cells. So we get phone calls all day, how do I get cells? Basically what silicone would do to acrylic paints, this is designed for the resin. This is the resin. So cells are this sort of effect along here.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, I like it. Tash doesn't really like to work with it because
It's a little bit unpredictable.
yeah.
Could you use silicone on the base?
Just make sure there's no looseness on there. They're quite dusty because they've been stored.
So we used to get all of our wood from Russia. We don't and the price now.
Right, so we are going to plan in our heads what we're going to be doing. We're going to use like 4 colours. There's no set amount of colours you can use. You can use as many as you like, but just bear in mind that when they do start to blend together, you're going to get another colour, another shade. So, so I've got a pea size, which is
Put it on one pot and then distribute it.
yeah, that's it, yeah. And doing this first, it gives you more time to faff. You need to go and faff and think about what you're doing.
All right.
You can flop about a bit more now.
So
You see
Oh, yes.
the effect now. Is like, that's what happens in exotherms, isn't it? If it heats too quickly, if this was mixed and you left it on the side,
yeah,
it would
the
kind of
reaction
do
causes
that.
it to fracture. Like, you can't touch it, it's just
Gone.
Right, so you can see it's gone quite cloudy. So same amount of time, 2 to 3 minutes. Quality, the time.
idea. You might want more of one colour, or probably maybe think about colours that might tie in with a room at home where you might have it. Clear. To keep the rate addition rate about 5% by weight, then it will stay optically clear in the day completely, but still glow.
So you just add a little bit at a time.
Ooh.
So can you see it?
Yeah.
Right, can you see where the resin's on the board? It's bled. It's pulling it. It's going
Gosh, it's got really good surface tension, hasn't it? Look, it's just,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's really quite thick.
Oh, exciting. Right.
So quiet.
Do you choose different colours every class to play around, or?
I haven't done actually. Well, I have in the past, but these are my kind of.
Yeah, they're nice.
Crush on these.
So they're staying separate, even though they're.
Yeah.
Right, so if you don't want it to do that in gaps, when you pour it so it touches the colour.
Okay.
Because of the
little bit.
density of the powder, it sits on the surface.
Okay. So just, yeah.
Let's see if we can get.
It's restraint, isn't it, really? I'm just imagining this is what I'm really bad at,
Oh, yes.
because I get too enthusiastic and it all.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, you will do. It might not be what you expected.
Yeah.
As long as you
But-
choose colours that actually work together, you're
Yeah.
fine. We see some choices, I think.
Yeah, but some of them actually work.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, okay, didn't see that coming.
There's been a lot of that recently.
This is beautiful.
I can see
Oh,
mess.
it is. Oh, yeah. That'll be interesting.
It might have been there for a while.
Couldn't
many
get
a
an
year.
orange in that.
So you use some of that neon orange
Yeah,
instead.
orange.
You've got the glow in the dark, the neons work in a...
You can use both in a piece. You've got the UV light and the dark. You've got, yeah.
Would you be able to do with that what you did with the gold right at the end to just make it pop on top? Or is that different to the gold sort of? Yeah.
When you're doing your own thing, you have your own colours. Just zhuzh it on. Galactic style-y. There you go.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh wow. That looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's.
This sounds crazy stupid. It's not. Things like Wellington boots or old trainers. Could you?
The creative afternoon.
Indeed.
Creating some masterpieces.
So, what stage are the attendees at now?
So we've been through the morning, we've covered clear coating, resin, art, abstract and a dirty pour, and now it's over to them for the afternoon to get creative and create some masterpieces ready for their homes.
What are you expecting from these
From this group,
creations?
no, very fun group, I'm expecting some really good work today. Clear coating was fantastic. There's some great ideas over lunch. So great team, and I'm sure they'll all inspire each other.
Well, let's find out at 3:30 then.
Fingers crossed.
We're with Tash.
Hello.
You are a resin teacher, so they say.
So they say.
And has it been proven right today? You've been teaching
Well, we'll soon find out.
a mixed ability class in terms of resin. Some know a little bit about resin. Some.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yep.
But yeah, this is the first time doing this, so.
And how is that? Because if some people know a little bit more than others, how does that reflect in your sort of teaching style? Do you have to go from the start in terms of resin?
You always go from the start because it's good to have a refresher, but obviously a chat beforehand to see who's done what and
any funny stories?
funny stories.
Has anyone dropped resin on the floor yet?
Regarding this.
Yeah?
Two
What happened with that?
plus.
That has looked like it's seen all the colours of the rainbow.
Someone tripped once.
Someone tripped on that?
And I wore the silver.
You wore it.
I wore it head to toe, looked like a spaceman.
You're still getting out now, all these years later.
But yeah, absolutely.
Very good.
More than the fact that I have this resin pot on my dressing table and I absolutely love the look of it, and I just kept looking at it, and then I just sat there at my dressing table and googled a resin course. That was it. So I know it's a bit random, and I just thought, it'd be a really nice thing to do. I thought, I wonder if I could make something like that myself.
That's brilliant. I like that answer.
And that's
We've
it.
not heard that before, have we? The dressing table.
Yeah.
You said, okay,
Yeah.
And how do you find the style of teaching?
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
You can be
I
as
think
honest as you like.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Checked in the
No.
post.
No, it's just been really, really, great, and a really
Fantastic.
good group of people, great food. So, lovely venue. Yeah, I know.
And packaging it in M&S.
I'm packaging it in M&S.
Wow, goodness.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
No,
Thank you.
That's it. Yeah, no, it's been brilliant. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you.
Very translucent, so it's,
Oh, I see.
but it blends in nice. It's made an impact.
Yeah, it's transformed. Very nice.
Not quite sure I like it or not. Need a bit more experimentation, I think.
Yeah, exactly. Might require a little bit of time. Acquired taste. About this, how did you manage to achieve this?
I use my basic colours. I tend to work exclusively in red, yellow, orange and black, with a mixture of gold in there sometimes. So this was started with the black as the prime colour. I did an informal abstract zigzag, and then followed the black with the red, tracing the black lines, and then the yellow and the orange were filled in afterwards, as was the outside of the piece. So there's been no affectations done with with the heat gun at all, other than just to blow the bubbles out. So that's pretty much how it's done it itself.
It's magnificent. And where is this going to be? Is this going to be in your home? Is it going to be in a gallery?
Probably be on my wall in a few days' time. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well done.
Thank you.
I don't this, but I can't get rid of it, can I?
You've gone like a sort of 3D effect.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a combination of things. I'm showing off the resin times because they're, the angle of the board. It's the angle of the board that's pulling it and making it do that. And it can be overheating, it can make it look like a fur effect, so it's more defined. So.
Exhausting work, right?
It's more mentally exhausting than anything else.
Painstaking, but it does often and not worth the hassle. It's kind of like the inside of an oyster. This.
Words. Inspirational, exciting, and incredibly relaxing.
With Maria, who's just come out of a Eli-Chem Resins workshop, what 3 words or a little bit more would you use to describe that experience?
I would say that it's definitely been a really fun day. I think it's for everybody. I don't have an artistic bone